Hey, what's going on, miners? Today we're going to be talking about the mining pool. So let's get right into it. So some of you may or may not know that I've started running a mining pool now. It's been going for a little over a month now. It's been going pretty good. I know some of you guys have some ideas and stuff like that. Like some people want different payouts and things like that. Um, I have to actually figure out how to do that because that's like not in the mining core thing. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to make the payouts adjustable for everybody. I can adjust the payouts as a whole for everyone, so it would apply to everybody. So now we're not hitting a bunch of blocks right now, so it's not like you're getting payouts like all the time. So I don't think it's that much of a big deal right now. It is something that is on my radar moving forward with the mining pools, is being able to adjust the payouts, as well as I still need to implement the new look that KJ did create. I haven't had time to do that, so I'll be probably doing that this coming week. I'll be implementing that new HTML file and giving the website a new, it's a little bit more of a refined look. I kind of like it myself. I haven't added any new coins yet to the mining pool. I do have some in mind, but now that we have 3 coins now, it's like every time I put a new pool up, it's like I want to make sure it works. So I kind of want to let these things go for a little while, make sure there's no hiccups, let them go for a month. No problems. All right, let's kick another one on. I just want to try to do this as seamlessly as possible. That way, because anytime something catastrophic happens with payouts or something like that, I have to shut it down. And that doesn't mean just shutting down that one pool. That means shutting down all the pools. So whatever I could do to limit downtime and making fixes or changes, because I might put a fix in for one pool that might break the other pool, and then it's just going to create a lot of chaos, right? So I'm trying to do this as easy and seamlessly as possible, with creating as much, as little downtime to everybody who's supporting the Mining King pools. Appreciate everybody, man. Um, we're over here at the MK hosting where I have my mining pools. Right now, my rigs are currently off, which is probably around like 7 gigahash or so. So usually this would be up, yeah, around 23 gigahash. That's about what my farm accounts for. I'm on time of day, so right now my rigs are off for time of day use. So the pool hash rate has dropped down. Let's see, we found 4 blocks so far since I did this restart. It looks like the last block was 2 days ago at 55%, and it looks like all the payouts have been going through as they should. So it's been going much, much better. I know the first payout had a hiccup. I had to unlock the wallet or something like that, and I did that. And it seems since I did that, that now it's all the other blocks have followed suit and are also all paying out. So far, no hiccups again, which is what I want to see. It looks like, and I know that this is a fix that needs to be fixed. This needs to move over about 2 decimal points. So instead of 0.61%, this is actually 61%. So I do realize that that is an issue, and I need to adjust that. If people are looking for how to connect to the pools, you could always find it here in the server settings, which will tell you the difficulty, the pool fee, starting difficulties, and stuff like that. And yes, when I do the fix for the website for the new look, I will also be adjusting the var diff on the 3056. Like I said, I was trying to get some hash rate on here from NiceHash, and I haven't fixed it yet. I took some time off this weekend because it's Father's Day weekend, and I just wanted to really unwind and kind of just put everything off. And Monday next week, just start fresh, just totally hit the ground running with everything, with obviously Terra, my mining pools, my 3D printing, and like all YouTube family. So yeah, I got just tons of stuff going on right now. So, but yes, I will adjust this difficulty. I'll probably set it down to a starting diff of 2 or 1. So this way, if you only have a couple of cards, you could be at a lower difficulty. And then we're gonna go over to our Radiant pool. which looks like it's at about 30.68%. So I'm assuming it found a block, and it did at the last block was at, it found it at 8:30, about almost 12 hours ago. It found a block, so that's pretty cool. Looks like the Radiant Pool, man, has been really, really good. It's like it's had two bad blocks, but some of these other block times have been great. 1%, 3%, 12, 42, 59, 42. I mean, there's been a couple of normals like in the hundreds, but man, this thing has been really on fire. Um, Radiant Pool is definitely doing good. We're sitting at about 220, right? So I need to actually take my mining farm, and I'm mining Ergo right now, and I want to actually dual mine Ergo and Radiant so I can add hash rate to both the pools. Is what I'd like to do. I may also add some more hash rate back to Neoxa. I did move some of my farm over to get Ergo started, and Ergo's going pretty good right now. So I may take 2 rigs and move them back to get Neoxa kind of bumped up. So right now the Neoxa pool's at 198%, so a little high. The hash rate's been kind of all over the place. Looks like people are coming off and on. Looks like we have about 4 miners on here total. It's been, I would say, decent. You had 3 bad blocks down here, but you've had great blocks as well. 13, 22, 56, 45, 35. You've had quite a bit under. You've had 2, 4, 6, 7 under 100%, and then you've had 2, 4, 6 over. So you've had way more under 100% than you've had over 100%. Well, now it's going to be even because we're at 198. So we're going kind of, tit for tat here right now on the Neoxa pool. So other than that, though, the payments have been going out as scheduled. So it's been really great to see the Neoxa one kind of kicking off. We have 4 miners on Neoxa, 24 miners on Radiant, and 5 miners on the Ergo pool. Appreciate everybody who's been supporting me and stuff like this, man. And hopefully nobody feels obligated to stay on the pool or anything like that. I don't want you guys missing out on your profits or anything like that. Maybe somebody out in the community could do a profitability review on maybe my Radiant pool, since it's probably my best operating pool out there that I have of the 3. Maybe you're doing better than the ViperNet or one of the other major mining pools out there. Maybe you're not. I have no idea. Maybe one of the other content creators who is mining to my pool can maybe do a profitability review. I think that would be kind of cool. I don't want to do it because it's my own pool. So I want it to be an unbiased review, right? I don't want to be leaning on my own pool. So I think that would be pretty cool. So if you guys have just a little update on the mining pool, if you guys have like questions or anything like that, obviously leave them in the Misfit Mining Discord in my section, the Mining King. I have my own section in the Misfit Mining Discord. If you guys have questions or maybe suggestions and things like that, I do see all your suggestions. Sometimes I don't get a chance to answer all of them because there has been quite a lot lately. I've been trying to get to them as best as I can. I know that the payout thing has been a pretty regularly asked question. I'm gonna have to look into that because I think it's gonna have to have some adjustment in the Postgres database and stuff like that, and I'm really not good at the database stuff. So I need to figure out how to be able to have everybody adjust their own payouts. Now, I could do this. I could just make everybody's payouts get bigger for each one of these coins, but it doesn't just apply to one person, it applies to everybody. So if you guys want to end up having a vote, you know what I mean, inside of my Mining King Discord, you're more than welcome to put your vote in. If I see enough people comment, then sure, I'll implement it, and I could just say, instead of it being like 0.1 Ergo, I can change it to 1,000 Ergo or whatever you want, 100, right? Whatever people want to vote for and stuff like that, that's cool. But just realize it's not going to apply to just you. It's going to apply to everyone, because that's the only way I could change it as of right now. All right, guys, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.